Hey, how are you? So, are you a person who likes to sleep? I love to sleep. It's so restful, it's comfortable. Problem is getting up. I'm one of those people that I don't get up very well every day. Of course, today's one of those days where I'm struggling to get up and get going. And on top of that, I snore. And I gotta imagine that's gotta be horrible for the person sleeping next to me. It is what it is. Maybe it's time to get a sleep test again. I don't wanna. I can't stand those tests. But I don't know. So, here's it is. Anyways, happy sleeping.